What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. We're going to go over Shiba Inu. It's up 35% in the last 24 hours. Absolutely insane. We're sitting at 0.000026. Up 35%. Market cap 15 billion. 25 volume 3.92 billion. So if we hop into the chart off the bear market low here, we have a beautiful wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 pullback, and now you'll look to push up in a wave 3. So you would take a trend-based fib extension, well, bro, come on, from the bottom of that wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2, and that will give you a wave 3 target off the bear market low all the way up at 0.000073. So from the current price, that would be a juicy appreciation of, wow, about 184%. So if we zoom in a little bit here, looks like we have a nice 5-wave move off that wave 2 low. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, overextended wave 5. So we may pull back soon. Of course, it can just explode at any moment, like continue to explode as we are in the bull market. So crazy things happen, TA gets destroyed. But as of right now, you have a very overextended wave 5. So we push all the way up to the 138.2. And that's where we're seeing a little bit of pullback, but no promise will stop there. If we do pull back from here, then what you'll see is a wave 2 pullback and then continuation back to the upside. If it does continue to push, then your next target is 0.002992. For Shiba Inu. So that's what you're going to look for. If we do see a pullback, then you're going to pull back about halfway of this impulse here, in between the 50% and the 78.6, and then you'll push up in that to that wave 3 target. Of course, it will take time at 0.000073 for Shiba. So that's what I'm looking at for Shiba Inu. Very exciting. Look at this in my as you can see on the side here for my symbols, it's the second largest gainer on the day, right underneath Land Wolf, another meme coin that I have a decent sized bag in. So exciting times in the market. Make sure to sign up to Bitonix. This is where I do my trading. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America without a KYC or VPN. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link, which is in the top of the comments, and join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many coins, crypto trade signals, forex trade signals, and one of our members is giving trade signals all day long. The links are down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.